Hello, my lovely readers. I brought you today a brand new book collection. It says Peppa's on the Go box set. Let's see what's in this Peppa's on the Go book set. Can see here and we can see here also. So, shall we open this? Right. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's so lovely. First it says George's Rocket. Then Kylie Kangaroo's Submarine. And then George's Train Ride. Then Slow Down, George. And here we have Peppa and the police car. And then we have Digger World. And then here's the wheels on the bus. And not the least, Peppa's car ride. Oh, I'm so excited to read these books with you. Just have a little bit look. Wow, so glamorous pictures. And it is with the big letters, so our little ones can read it easily. See? It's so nice. Let's check on this book. Wow. We can sing songs also. I love these big letters. It's really nice to read with the kids, the big letters, and they love to read these letters. Every book has his unique story and it's so super natural pictures. See these. It's really brand new stories here. Alright, we will meet you soon with a brand new book set to read. Till then, love you all. See you soon. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.